Hello students, today we will see the execution of Java program, simple program that we are going to discuss. Now you can see in the window there is a program, simple program that is printing hello. You can see here a public class ABC is used to show the working of main function. Actually, main function is basically the name of the file. So, main has a class ABC, then we have to use the file name as abc.java. This main function is actually showing the output of hello. It is printing hello, and for the printing we are using system.out.println. It is a predefined function that is printing hello. Okay, so now let's see the execution of this program. Firstly, we have to save this from file and save as. We can save in our folder. Okay, so we have to create a folder with any name and we can save all the programs here. Now from the command prompt we will see the execution. We start the command prompt and here we can see the actual path, the desktop is open, so actual path is given by desktop. Now we give cd/. Now C drive has opened and we have to move to our folder. So for this we have to write the command cd, then the name of folder, that is Jyotsna. Now we change to our folder Jyotsna. So for execution we have to write the command java c. It is a compiler command for the compilation of program abc.java. So we have to give the name abc.java. Java C will compile the program abc.java. Now you can see the compilation. If there is any error, it will be shown on the screen. Otherwise, we see the next prompt. Okay. So here is no error. So we are seeing the prompt again. And for the execution, we have to write Java command and the space and the name of the file, that is ABC, without having dot extension, because actually it is a form of dot class. Dot class basically a bytecode file, bytecode that JVM supports. So we don't need to write dot class here. It actually takes automatically the extension. Now we can see the output hello. Okay, fine. I think you understood the thing.